There are places we go that can make us feel a certain way. Some places make us feel happy, while other places make us feel scared. And then there are places that make us feel anxious. When we feel this way, it can be scary because we don't know what's going to happen next. Or sometimes, if we do, that can also make us feel even more uncertain. Sometimes we feel anxious at school. It's big, loud, and filled with people. Oftentimes, at home, we know what's going to happen next. We know who is going to be in our homes. This isn't the case at school. This can make us feel anxious. When we feel this way, we should tell someone. A good person to talk to is a teacher or an aide. They often know what's going to happen next, and they can talk about it with us so that we understand and see that it's no big deal. Being on the playground can be difficult. There's a lot of people, action, and loud noises. This is often unstructured time, and that can make us feel anxious. When this happens, we can take deep breaths or even count down from 10 to 1. This helps us slow down our thinking and not feel overwhelmed. Talk to an adult that's helping out on the playground. They can give us ideas and even help us find students to play with. We can also find a friend. This friend may have other friends, so we can all play together. Or maybe you just play with your friend and have fun that way. We can also find a play area or an area where there's a lot of other students playing. If you start playing there, you'll probably start talking to other students, and then you'll have people to play with. For some people, they start feeling anxious when they're at home. Maybe they're worried about school in the morning or the afternoon or all the time. When you feel this way, you can talk to your parents or a trusted adult. They will remind you that you've been to school before and that you've experienced feeling anxious before, but you've always gotten through it. We can feel anxious anywhere, even in places that we like to be, like the store, our homes, or at an arcade that's supposed to be fun. However, always remember you can take deep breaths or even count down from 10 to 1, tell someone how you're feeling, you can find a friend, and you do things around other people where you can make friends. Then maybe you won't feel so anxious in the moment and in the future.